40 to 50 mile an hour winds coming off the lake. Whoa!
I got a runny nose. I'm not even outside yet.
Man's rocking. It's not too bad. It's actually not too bad out here, honestly. No, it's nice. How is it, Terry? Big time winds right on Lake Michigan here. We're going that way? Looks like Terry's coming back. Most of the snow's horizontal on this one. Are you ready to head out to the beach? This is Terry Rosema. There's the Lake Effect Snow Band. Hammer and Gary, heading south of Lakeshore Drive. Crossing into Indiana. There'll be some big time Lake Effect snow rates coming up here. Are you worried about your safety?
No, absolutely not. Because I'm from Michigan. I'm used to it.
Closing in on the heart of the band, just on the west side of Gary. How long do you think it's going to be until we hit the heavy stuff?
About a mile.
Really getting intense now. We're right on the lake shore. This is on 12, headed east into Gary. Almost whiteout conditions. We're popping behind this car on the left. Gotta get out of here. We're gonna get stuck. Taking a detour. Oh yeah.
Another 3 miles.
We can get there. We made it.
This guy's, they just got the whole road blocked off.
Are you gonna pull them out?
Not with this thing.
That 30 plane's taking off.
Really intense here.
Instead, we're heading into the core of the band. Wow. It's the heaviest snow we've seen yet here in Gary, Indiana.
Be careful!
At least a foot and a half, maybe more now. That's like 2 feet. We get like 30 inches of snow from this thing. Back into Hammond, Indiana. Three feet here pretty soon. Heading out to the lakeshore, just east of the band. Only an inch of snow here, and west of us they have over a foot. There's Kevin. How is it up there? There's Lake Michigan. Can't get out there, I don't want to risk falling through the ice.
Look at the waves beyond the
There's the snow band.
icebergs.
Holy. Now we're heading back west into the snow band. It's the heaviest snow you've ever seen?
Absolutely.